वेलकम टू आवर वीकली करंट अफेयर्स सीरीज। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सियम 4 मिशन 2025 से रिलेटेड करंट अफेयर्स। लेट्स बिगिन। Question 1. When was the Axiom 4 mission, featuring Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, successfully launched in 2025? Correct answer, the 25th of June 2025. Question 2. From which space center was the Axiom 4 mission, featuring Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, lifted off on June 25, 2025? Correct answer, Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Question 3. What is the primary objective of the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, to advance commercial spaceflight and conduct microgravity research on the ISS. Question 4. Which organization operates the Axiom 4 mission in collaboration with NASA and SpaceX? Correct answer, Axiom Space. Question 5. Who is the commander of the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, Peggy Whitson. Question 6. Which Indian astronaut is the pilot for the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, Shubhanshu Shukla. Question 7. What is the duration of the Axiom 4 mission aboard the International Space Station, ISS? Correct answer, 14 days. Question 8. Which spacecraft is used to transport the Axiom 4 crew to the ISS? Correct answer, SpaceX Dragon crew. Question 9. What is the significance of the Axiom 4 mission for India? Correct answer, it is the first government-sponsored human spaceflight for India in over 40 years. Question 10. Which of the following experiments is not part of the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, testing a new rocket propulsion system. Question 11. Which country's astronaut is participating in the Axiom 4 mission as a mission specialist under the HUNOR program? Correct answer, Hungary. Question 12. What is the name of the SpaceX rocket used for launching the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, Falcon 9 Block 5. Question 13. Which of the following is a key focus area of the Axiom 4 mission's scientific experiments? Correct answer, microgravity research in materials science and biology. Question 14. What is the name of the zero gravity indicator for the Axiom 4 mission? Correct answer, JOY. Question 15. Which ISRO initiative is the Axiom 4 mission closely associated with for India's human spaceflight program? Correct answer, Gaganyaan. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more such videos.